welcome back to another video. We got Junior, the work experience kid, is back.
Yes, I'm back.
And we got a bit of a big insurance job. We got a lot of ceilings to replace. Got a bit of a problem, like collated screw gun is misbehaving. I dropped it and the end is snapped off. So we're here at the local Hilti store down at the Gold Coast, and we're going to try and get it fixed straight away. Well, there was a lifetime warranty. I'm not going to tell him I dropped it. I won't tell him I dropped it. Either have to drop this drill in to get it fixed, and hopefully we can pick it up in the morning, or they can give us a part to fix it right now. The sheet is arriving today. We're pulling all the ceilings down. We're heading to Bunnings warehouse. We're going to get more floor protection, and then we're ready to pull it down. So join us and welcome Junior back. Welcome back, Junior.
I'm back.
We're at the job now, and this has all been damaged by water. Had a lot of water come in. They've fixed the ceilings up. They just put these timbers here so the plasterboard wouldn't fall back down. So we're going to be unscrewing all of that. We're going to be not going all the way through here. We're going to cut it off here. And I thought here might be a good spot for a control joint as well. So we've measured off this wall. Our timber is going this way, so our sheets are going this way. And I got 3.6 meter sheets. So we've measured off here, going across 3.6 meters. So this is going to be a full sheet right here. So we're just going to get a chalk line. We're going to chalk line that, and we're going to stop it there. We're going to be removing this part of the cornice and the cornice around here. Also, we're going to be taking it out to about here. This sheet here, you can see the joints pillowed. So we're going to be cutting it along there. So everything that way back. This whole ceiling's going to go. Cornice and everything, plasterboard. You can see the stain was fully damaged by water. There's actually a fan here. The fan's fallen down. We have to stick the knob back in and put the wire back through so the fan can be fixed off. Here, big damage here. So we're going to be taking out this whole area of the bathroom, probably to this sheet here. All of that is coming out. This area here, they got a lot of water through here. And we're going to be taking it out to this joint here. You can just see, I'm not sure if you can see it on the camera, but there's a joint here. You can see it's pillowing. So we're going to cut along there. We're going to take out all of this here. Looks like the truss on this side, the trusses are running this way. It's dropped, and that's always been like that. So we're going to be going over it, and that's probably going to happen again because the underlying problem has not been fixed. That's what we're doing here today. We're going to be here for a week, over a week. We're going to be doing all the painting as well. So that's what you're going to be seeing on this channel. So let's get started. One way to get rid of the cornice is just get a floor scraper. I've just pulled the cornice down. This house, I'll tell you how old the house is. Well, there'll be a stamp on the bottom somewhere. Anyway, there's a big gap here. A lot of my videos, people say, oh, you left a big gap. But, you know, it doesn't matter. Cornice gets put over the top, and it's made from the same material as the plasterboard, same material. Go. Let's look down here. The board was manufactured 19th of the 5th, 1999. 25 years old. It's not fun. We're going to keep plugging along and we'll update you along the way. Here, this is where we're going to stop it. And we're going to put a control joint in here, which there probably should have been one anyway. Might just move this, what's this? Picasso. Picasso. With this queso. Okay, I don't really recommend using your Pride and Joy 6-inch blade. It costs about $25 to chip cornice, because in this cornice there was nails used to hold it up, and I think I've just hit it and I've ruined my blade. Oh, that's loud. That's really loud. Oh, look at the gap.
Hey.
Yeah, once we pull all the cornice down, we'll have to go through, well, this ceiling's going to be right. But we pretty much have to go like that, all the way around, so it's like this.
Yeah.
So we can put our new cornice on.
Okay.
And same with the top.
Yeah.
Even though this part's going, it has to all be like that.
Ah.
Ready for new ones on. So we'll keep you updated. Plasterboard should be getting delivered soon as well. We're going to be popping that in the garage, and we're just going to keep removing these ceilings. I had a small piece fall on my head once.
Damn. Oh no.
Yeah, just a small piece though. So, I don't want that to happen. the idea. Let's say you take the ceiling down. Still got to prepare all the edges. Take all these screws out. We got to put a timber nog in here for the fan to get lower. I don't even know which one the fan is. Might be written something. Not too sure. But anyway, in the center of the room we're going to put a timber. Okay. We're going to take this ceiling from this sheet back.